Challenge tasks are short videos that offer step-by-step instructions on how to complete various tasks using Microsoft Office apps. Each video will provide links to sample templates for users to complete each task with the same document that is used in the videos. Each video is featured on challengetask.com with alternate instructions for each task, as well as additional information and links to sample templates. Users can connect to the challengetask.com Facebook page and post comments if they need assistance to complete a task. Microsoft Excel has over 470 functions available. A typical user may not use 468 of those functions, but that may be because the user doesn't have the time or opportunity to learn about them. Challenge tasks are easy, hands-on learning tasks that can provide exposure to Office applications for users that are on a strict schedule. Most tasks can be completed in under 5 minutes. Learning how to activate the flight simulator in Excel 97 may not be on the top of your to-do list, but learning how to hide unused cells in a form may be useful. A link to our Facebook page is in the description of this video. You can also visit our website at challengetask.com for additional information and details regarding these challenge tasks. Please leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.